Hi guys, we're going to go over our application problem for today for our lesson 3 application problem. That is page 13 and 14 in your math module 8 workbook. Now I don't have the new workbook with me, so I'm going to be doing it on my whiteboard and I'll read it from my plans, but you guys can obviously do this in your math workbook. Okay, so our problem for the day says 3 sides of a quadrilateral have the following lengths: 19 centimeters, 23 centimeters, and 26 centimeters. If the total distance around the shape is 86 centimeters, what is the length of the fourth sides? So what we have to do is we have to figure out this missing part, right? So we know yesterday we talked about what is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 straight sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture. So I know that one length is 19, one is 23, one is 26, and we're missing one over here. So I'm going to share with you my whiteboard so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so my camera's frozen. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so this doesn't have to be exactly what the polygon looks like, but I know that a quadrilateral has 4 sides. So it's going to be 19, 23, 26, and this missing part over here. Now it told us that the total length of the whole thing is 86 centimeters. So that means when it's added up all together, right, it's going to equal 86. So we know that when we add up all sides of this quadrilateral, it should equal 86 centimeters. So I can look at my parts that I already have. So I have 19, I have 23, I have 26, and I'm missing one part. So in order for me to figure out what this missing part is, first I need to figure out what these equal together. So let's add them up together. So I'll do 23 plus 26 first, because that's easier. So that gives me 49 plus equals 86. Okay, so now I need to add 49 and 19. 49 plus 19, 8, 5, 6. Okay, so right now we have 68 plus equals 86. And we know another way to solve for a missing part. Instead of trying to count up, we can do subtraction, right? So I can take my whole length of the whole quadrilateral, which is 86, and I can subtract 68 to find that missing part. So let's see, I can't do 6 minus 8, so I'll borrow from here. This becomes a 7, this becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8, and 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, so I think that this missing part is 18. So that means that all these numbers added up all together should give me 86 altogether. Now I can check this over here, right? I knew this part we said was 18, so I can check it by adding it back together and it should equal 86. So 68 plus 18. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry that 10. 1 plus 6 is 7. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see my screen. And then 7 plus 1 more is 8. Awesome. So I know my missing length. Right. Oops, I forgot. I have to include centimeters on all of these, right? Because that's the unit that I'm talking about. So my missing length of this last side is 18 centimeters. So in order for me to answer this question, right, if I solve all this, I say that this missing part over here is 18. I need to make sure that I have my units. Even Miss Maria makes mistakes. So I need to make sure that I have a sentence. So my sentence is going to say, right, it has answered the question, the length of the fourth side is 18 centimeters. There we go. Great job. If you need to go back and rewind or pause it to check your work, you can totally do that. Otherwise, great job.